Morning, kids. Hello, I am back again with a new topic from your chapter 5. And the name of the chapter is Being Good. Have you remembered what I taught you in previous video? Okay, let's revise. We have learned about good habits and how habits help us and about cleanliness. And today I am going to teach you new topic, and the name of the topic is good manners. Before starting, I would like to instruct you. Firstly, open your book and open chapter 5. After, you have to listen this video carefully and keep your finger online where I am reading. Don't focus on mobile. Let's start. Do you know from where do we learn good manners? Yes, kids? Yes, we learn good manners in our school and at our home. What does good manner means? Good manners are about respecting yourself and respecting others. Good manners teach us how to behave politely and properly. A person with good manners liked by everyone. We use magic words like thank you, please, excuse me, I am sorry. These magic words help us to enhance our personality. We should always be kind to others. We should always respect others. We should always talk politely. We should always eat healthy food. These all are part of good manners. When we say thank you, yes, tell children, when we say thank you, if we get something from someone, we should always say thank you. When we want something from someone, we should always say please. And when we hurt someone, we should always say sorry. It is good to be polite, so we should always talk politely and softly. Let's read good manners. Every child should learn to be polite. Polite means to talk, to speak softly. A person with good manners is liked by everyone. Here are some good manners. Respect your elders and help them. Respect your elders means we should always respect our elders. हमें अपने बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए. Say thank you when you receive something. Yes, children, when you receive something, जब आप किसी से कुछ लेते हैं, we should always say thank you. Say please when you ask for something. We should always say please. जब हम किसी से कुछ कह रहे हैं, कुछ लेना चाहते हैं, we should always say please. Be kind to people and animals. हमें लोगों के साथ और एनिमल्स के साथ प्यार से काइंडली बिहेव करना चाहिए. Say sorry when you hurt someone. जब हम किसी को हर्ट करते हैं, तकलीफ़ देते हैं, तकलीफ पहुंचाते हैं, तो हमें सॉरी फील करना चाहिए. शेयर योर फूड एंड अदर थिंग्स विद योर फ्रेंड्स. वी शुड ऑलवेज शेयर आवर फूड एंड आवर थिंग्स विद आवर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. ग्रीट योर पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड एल्डर्स politely. We should always respect greet our parents at home, teachers in school, and our elders politely. Always speak softly. हमें हमेशा प्यार से बात करनी चाहिए. Let's check. Circle the correct word. Now it's your time to give answer. We should keep our nails short or long? Yes, children. We should keep our nails short. Always speak rudely, softly. Rudely means अच्छे तरीके से बात ना करना. Softly means अच्छे तरीके से बात करना. It means always speak softly. Now we will discuss about another topic, keeping fit. Why it is important to be keeping our body fit, and how we keep our body fit? By doing exercise, by doing yogasan, by eating healthy food, by taking healthy diet, by adopting good habits, good eating habits. Yes, children, let's read keeping fit. Regular exercise, healthy food, and enough rest keep us fit and healthy. Yes, children, regular exercise. Regular exercise means that by doing indoor or outdoor activities and by eating healthy food and doing rest, keep our body fit and healthy. बच्चों, अगर हम डेली एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, योगा करते हैं और इनके साथ साथ हेल्दी फूड और अच्छे से नींद लेते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी फिट और हेल्दी रहती है. एक्सरसाइज मेक्स अस हेल्दी. एक्सरसाइज करने से हमारी बॉडी हेल्दी रहती है. प्लेइंग आउटडोर्स इज़ अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. प्लेइंग आउटडोर मीन्स activities that we are doing out from our home, like playing badminton, playing football, playing volleyball, and doing skates, and many more other activities, outdoor activities. If we are adopting, then it is a good exercise. Walking, running, cycling, swimming, and yoga are also good exercise. Walking at morning and in evening in the park, running, doing cycling, doing swimming and yoga, all are also some other good exercises that we have to do. We must do in our daily life. We must sleep for 8 hours every night to feel fresh and full of energy. Yes, children, how many hours should we sleep in a day or at night? In a day, we should take a small nap, and at night, we should sleep for 8 hours. We will feel fresh and full of energy when we do so. Eating healthy food, walking, playing outside, cycling, swimming, all are good for us. In this chapter, we have read about good manners, why it is important to adopt good manners, and why it is important to keeping our body fit. And how do we keeping our body fit? We keep our body fit by eating healthy food, take a walk, engage yourself in different sports, engage yourself in outdoor and indoor activities, and drink milk and doing different kind of activities that keep our body fit and healthy. Now you all have to read this chapter again with the help of your parents. Thank you.